Yes, Aquaba to the channel, and today we are here to also learn and to make ourselves encouraged. Okay, so today, don't worry, we are just jumping into what we're going to talk about, and this topic is so sad to me. Actually, definitely, I don't know the reason why, but it's so sad to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go into.
Mema Wakwaba, welcome to Emotion Channel, enhancing your personal development.
About common mistake we make before marriage, or common mistake that we make before choosing life partner, choosing someone whom we are going to live with. And it's so sad to me. This thing happens in a marriage, and I want us to discuss. These are the type of common mistakes that we do make, and sometimes it's sad, yeah, and it's very wrong. So sometimes we um think of our partner is going to change no matter how he or she is. And I think we don't need to think like that. Any mistake that you'll be find or you're going to found in your relationship or marriage before in your relationship before marriage is something that you need to be collect. Yeah, any mistake, no matter how big or small that mistake is, you need to correct yourself, and it's so important. Let's discuss, or let's enjoy this example. There was two both party who decided to marry, and they were studying themselves, and this is how the thing was. These two people were living, and they see themselves to be busy people, so they don't have actually time to meet or to mingle together. So they choose to have a phone sex that will make them happy, and also to or release stress, and it become more used to them. So anytime they have a small time, they will be having their phone sex. And like, it was so crazy then time. So these people get married, and when they get married, they choose to not to have the phone sex again, because now they have married, and you see they are living together, so they will choose not to do that again. So they live for some times, they are not doing that. They all understand themselves. Do you know one thing? This man traveled, and when he was travel, he told her partner that I'm travel, but I'm not going to be back very soon. And this is what I want us to do. We I want you to stay calm for me. I'm going. I'll become mad not that soon. So the partner was there thinking of the his husband not to or not he's not going to come back so soon. So I don't know how the partner was feeling, but I think she was feeling she need to have somebody to mingle with, somebody around, somebody who will make her happy and to certify her in sex form. So this partner was there, and their wife was there, and it was so sad that she go for a different man. And you know one thing, it was very so funny to a certain level that when this thing happened, this man wasn't able to stay long. So he was coming back home, and he found himself in a situation that he was having a keys to the house. So not he's not going to call her wife, and also to make her wife surprised. So this man get to the room and open the door and get to the room, find her wife with a different man on their multimedia bed. It was so sad, you know. It's very, very sad when you find things like that or you got to know things like that. It was so, so sad. So one thing is that the woman was shocked and the man is also shocked. This man get out from the room, close the door, and go to his mom's place, his mom house, to in so that he can hold his temper. So he go there for some time. He choose not to return, but he's waiting for the apologize from his wife. Listen to me. The wife get in. The wife get in with his mom in his husband's mom's place or his husband's mom's house. So when this wife of him gets in there, the wife apologized and the man said, "I've accept your apologize, I forgive you, but why? What makes you did this?" And then this is what the wife said. He said, "I knew you will not come back so soon, and I'm also feeling like getting someone with me to certify and make me happy. That's why I did that." And the man is shocked. The man's mother or her husband's is shocked. The husband's mother is also very shocked. Yeah. Do you know one thing that I can boldly tell you guys here? Anything that you be starting in a relationship for the first time and you see that this thing will not help, it will not give us a good result, please kindly put a stop to it. Sometimes we become a certain people that we see that everything is starting, but we are going to change as time goes on. I don't think human beings is like a rock. Whilst as time goes on, it will fade up or it will started to to break into pieces or to tears. But do you know one thing? What I really know is that every behavior that I've been putting on, if you don't stop that behavior for the first time, or for the earlier time, the behavior is hardly to what you stopped. Why? Because it has become part of you and you have been used to that kind of behavior. And definitely, whatever you are doing, you think of what I'm doing, what I've been involving myself into, what I've become used to is something that I need to work towards it. So, people that will live, I always say this thing, the people that we mingle ourselves with, let's we sit down and got to know that are these people going to value us or add some value to our life or make our life miserable. Sometimes we think of we are making a good use of what we are having and we are trying to prevent our marriage or our relationship, but we are making mistakes for our marriage. Because many people start in a relationship, they will be seeing a little bit of insulting, a little bit of fighting and this kind of stuff. I don't really know. I'm not saying that you are not going to face that kind of things in your relationship. It is part, but not to be that much more. You see that you don't like too much of noise making, drinking alcohol, smoking, and when you are with your partner for the first time, you'll be seeing that this guy that I've been dating with is this guy that I'm going out with is smoking, drinking. He's a little bit of corrupted or corrupt. You are not stopping him or her, but you are still moving with this person. So as time goes on, you've been seeing or you are going to realize that it has become fully part of that person. So you will try to stop her when you are getting married. When you guys are getting married, it can never stop. You'll be seeing more than that. And definitely, that's the most important thing I want to tell you guys. Common mistake that will make in marriage, anything that you'll be seeing in your marriage, anything that you'll be having encounter, anything that you got to realize when the relationship is starting, please, if you can put a stop to it, stop or try to change the person for that place. If the person doesn't change, or if he wasn't able to change, that's when you need to work to advise yourself and leave that relationship, or it will help you more than getting married before trying to change the person. It can never be possible. So this is one common mistake that we do make. I'll come back to your doors with a different type of mistake. What I'm bothered to ask for is now I am in need of camera or a microphone. Sorry, a camera or a phone to film my videos. Indeed, my phone is danger. Yeah, because I find it difficult nowadays to film my videos, but I need your help, guys. If you love me, if you love my talent, you can also do me a favor and help me. No matter how the situation is, I'll appreciate and take it. Any amount that you want also to help me with, I can also take it. By God bless you. Still be with me. My name is Emotion, enhancing your personal development. Love you till we meet again. Deal. Bye.